Okay, class, welcome to Digital Media 1. The last time we met on Wednesday on campus, we were able to fully discuss the structure of HTML. Today, we'll be diving into the various tags of HTML, and how they are coded and how they take effect on the websites. So right here, this is our HTML page, our source code. Within the source code, we'll be coding right in this body, like I told you. The body starts from here, as you can see it, and it ends right here. Okay, so if you love, I can re-modify or magnify um, what is on the screen. So today in class, we'll talk about one tower, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So for the sake of the exercise, before I forge ahead, I will demonstrate one. So let's say, for example, H1. Okay, this is my first heading. That's H1, right? This is my first heading. Let me see what I can increase the magnification of this to make it to 400. Let's see something. Okay, now you see it. This is my H1, and I put another one, H2. H2. This is heading 2, and then heading 3. Okay, H3. This is heading 3, and all the way to heading 6. Let me do that so you see. 4. This is heading 4, and then move to heading 5. H5. This is heading 5. Then finally we can move to heading 6. The header tag, in the header tag, okay, H tag H6. H6. Sorry for the loss. H6. This is heading 6. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to save this work, okay? We save this work. We save this work. And then you come up here, you will see something there. Save, or you press save as, okay? Now, this work has been saved on the desktop. So I'm going to go on my desktop and launch this work. Look at that. Here you see. Okay. I double click on it. Let's see something here. This is how it's going to appear. So this is our first level heading. This is our second level heading, third level heading, fourth level heading, 5 level heading, 6 level heading. So the higher the number of headings that the X6, the smallest the text appear on the web page. Example, if you come up here, this is H1, right? It's bigger. So usually if people are writing a paragraph on a web page and they want that paragraph to have a heading to captivate web user, it is when we use the H star to tell people what the paragraph is about. Now let's go back to the task bar and go back to the source code. We are in the source code. So press enter. You notice in the body tile, this is body open, this is body close. So all your coding are supposed to appear on the web page should be exactly in the body. Okay, it should be exactly in the body. Now the second elements according to our course outline that we need to be practicing or doing is paragraphs. Paragraphs. How do we insert a paragraph on a web page? To insert a paragraph on a web page, we use the P tag. We use the P tag. I repeat that. To insert a paragraph on a web page, we use the P tag. What is it? Bracket open or less than open. You insert letter P. So you notice that when using Visual Studio Code, as soon as you press the first P, the second P just come. Unlike this one, if you're using Notepad or Notepad++, you have to code, as well as Notepad, you have to code everything manually and spell everything manually from your head. But for this one, the more you press one P, it will give you options, then it will insert it by itself. So within the P tag, we're going to say the quick URCK brown fox jump over the slow lazy dog. So as soon this is our first paragraph. Now this is just a sentence. Why if we want the paragraph to be many? So since I don't have much thing to say, I'm going to copy and paste this line so that I can create a paragraph for us. So you see the last P that right here, we won't fall for it to come all the way here. No. So what we're going to do, just going to come between this last P and the last letter and just press enter. And the same thing, okay? You press enter, then you come right here and put the one in the middle. So P here and then P here. The same P and the same P here, right? So between these two, the opening tag of the P and closing tag of the P is where we're going to write our paragraphs. So there's some. I'm going to paste, copy this one and Control C. Come right here and paste. Press enter and paste. Press enter and paste. Press enter and paste. Press enter and paste. So this is a whole paragraph, right? So let's save this work and see how it works or how it appears like on the website. I press Control S. I go to the task bar. Where is my work? It's already here. I open it. I launch it. And every time you go to your source code, okay, it will not, when you finish automating or updating your source code, it will not automatically appear on the web page. When you open the web page, you have to refresh the web page using this refresh button or using F5. Okay, so I press this. Look at that, it has appeared on our website. This is our first and foremost content we are creating. It's looking too much childish because it's just the beginning. Okay, so the quick brown fox jump over the slow lazy dog. But notice something. We were pasting, okay, pasting. So the same way is need this sit at the source code, we expect that it should appear on the website. That as soon as it reaches to lazy dog, it should create another line, right? But look at the site, look at the website. Everything just in one line. It doesn't make sense. It's not professional. Okay, it's not professional. But before then, someone made a statement while I was leaving the class. He said, "But Brother Bill, what is the essence of all using coding? What is the essence of all learning this HTML language?" I'm sorry that the person asked that question was that first day in the first day in class. They made the first class where I used the entire day to introduce the course and the course outline to explain and the rules, the interest, and the importance of HTML. So HTML is used basically for web content. To become a seasoned web developer, you got to understand HTML. Okay. Now, back to our lecture. So we're going to use a code so that when this particular sentence come here, the quick brown fox jump over the slow lazy dog, we put period and the next sentence follow. So they can't just be blurred like this, in not correct. Okay. So to do it, we have something HTML called inline elements. Okay, inline elements. These are elements that are used within HTML tag to give specific functions. Example, one of them is break. Break is a code or is a tag used to tell, hey, look, HTML, if I use break and then the first sentence ends, I want the second line to break and come right on it. Okay, so we're going to use break. Right here. Bracket open, B arrow. It is a single tab. And then the inline tag, they are single tab. They don't have opening tag and closing tag. They only have opening tag normally. Okay, so you're not forced to even put forward slash. So we break the one from here. You copy and paste to the next one. You break this one. You break the one. So you are telling HTML that when the first line is being read by the browser, you should just break and come to the next one. We'll break it here. We break it here. We don't have to break the last one because this break is just going to automatically drop this line from up here to here. Okay, so that press Control save. Then go to our browser. You refresh. Look at that. Everything's set down neatly. Beautiful, huh? Very, very beautiful. Very, 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 very beautiful. So let me go there and do that again. So if I take this break from here, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, I press Control S, right? Now come down here. Oh, did I save? Control S, yes. Now go to my web browser. We said before you take effects, you must refresh your browser, okay? So I refresh the system. Everything has turned header scatter the same way it was before. So for it to be neatly positioned on the website, on the web page, we have to apply break. B arrow, a open, B arrow, a close. Oh, what am I doing? Sorry for that. Okay. This is B arrow, break. I come here. B arrow, break. B arrow, break. B arrow, break. And finally B arrow, break. So what do I do now? I press Control S so that it takes effects on the web browser. But before it takes effect, I'm gonna refresh. Good. Look, that everything is neat. Everything is neat. So this is our first paragraph in HTML. This is our first paragraph in HTML. Again, there are some inline tag or inline elements that we can use, like I said from the onset, that we can use to add functions or feature or emphasis on certain word of the content that appear on our website. Let's take for example the quick brown fox. The brown fox, or I want the brown fox to appear in bold. Okay, I want it to appear in bold, to make it bold so that I can show emphasis when it appear on the website. What do I do? Unlike Microsoft, whatever you just have to highlight and go to Control B. This one is different. It's not Control B. So between this, before the phrase or the word that you want it to appear bold is where you begin your inline elements. Okay, but the inline elements, unlike break and other tag, most they are double tag. Okay, so I press B, I put B-O-L-D, bold. I close it. Okay, then I copy this one from here because it appeared twice. Okay, I hear brown fox. I paste it right here. So this plainly telling me that if I press Control S, this particular brown fox will going to appear darker. It's going to be bold on the web page, thus showing emphasis. I press Control S. Now see something. I go right here. I refresh. Look at that. Did it take effects? I'm not too sure. I'm seeing something like that. Let's check the code again, okay? Let's check the code. B-O-L-D, bold. Okay, let me put everything in capital letters so you can see how it works, okay? The quick brown. Sorry. B-R-O, brown fox. jumped. Okay, I press Control S. Let me come right here. I just press save and go to the browser. Wow, it takes effects. Okay, it looks a little bit darker, but let's see something. Now let's change the one from bold to B and see something. B. Okay. So what I will use a shortcut will take effect too. Refresh. Wow. So it didn't take the real world bold, but it took the abbreviation, the acronym B. Okay. So well, pretty much not bad. So you're going to use B. So let's copy this B, or let's use B here too. Control, let's say B O, and I'll come right here B. Okay, see that? Press Control S and it takes effect B. So it's not case sensitive. Okay, it's not case sensitive. Now another thing again, another inline element I want us to touch is also italicized. Why I want this brown fox to appear in bold but like slanted, right? That'd be cursive, like a cursive writing. So how do we do that? Go back to the source code. Remember on inline elements. Okay, go to the source code, and this is what we call nested elements. So nested tag. The author tag is P and it closes right here. Within the P tag that have this paragraph, we are inserting middle tag. Okay, we're inserting inline tag. The reason why we call it inline is because they are HTML tags that are inserted within contents, within paragraphs, within a paragraph. So they are inline, they are within the paragraph, so they are inline, and they take effects. They have effects on, or they affect certain phrase or specific word. Let's make this one italicized. So to make it, you can be after the B. Okay, like now we're going to nested. We put R. We close it, and then you close this R from here, right here, and you put R. Good. Put R right here. Remember, what we call nested is this. If you put the R before the B, it means that the last R that closing the first R should come before the last B. You get the point? But unnested means you copy this R from here, then you put it outside here. It's not nested. It is never nested at all. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this one from here and then put it back. Okay, and then put it back here. Put it back. That's correct. Now that press Control Save, and then we'll come here. We press Control Save. You notice that it's italicized, but something else left there. The angle is there already, so the one also will be on the website. So we gotta check the source code. Something is wrong. Okay, see this one? The other one, we're gonna take the one from here. Good. Press Control S. Refresh the browser. Beautiful. Yeah, appear brown fox. Brown fox. Now, without using bold, you can also use another inline element called strong. 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 Let's say we want to make jump over very strong. Okay, we want to make it bold too, so we use strong. So we'll come here and let's say jump over the slow. Okay, then we'll press strong. strong. It already appear, and then over this. Okay, strong. strong. Wow. Okay, gotta close it. Good. Let me do that again so that you see better. Okay. Okay, let's see this whole thing over, jump over, right? It is slow. strong, strong. We'll close it. So you're going to take this closing strong from here and then bring it right here. Good. I press Control S. Go to the browser. You notice that it does the same thing. It works. It does the same thing. So these are just exercise of inline elements. So I want you to go on the internet, especially W3 School, www.w3school.com, okay, and then read extensively on inline elements or block elements. So far so good. This is just example of how to insert a paragraph on the web page and how to use inline elements to manipulate or format our content to suit our need. Now, the last content we're going to be creating is list of things. List of things. There are some that you have posted certain things, maybe your online shop, and you want it to have list of things. List of things. How do we do that? How do we code our content to appear in bullet points on a web page? Is our last exercise for this project. So again, we'll go back to our source code, okay? But then before the incident part right here, you have to apply a break. That is B arrow and press save. You are telling HTML equal to the web browser that I'm applying break because I don't want the next paragraph to appear right here or to start here. I want to come all the way down here to begin from here. That's how we use our break. Okay, we break here. So we'll come here, give it more space. So there are a few ways to insert list. We have other list. We have an other list. A few normal other list and other list. Other lists are lists that appear in numerical value in sequential order. That is from letter A, letter B, letter this, or Roman numeral or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are other lists. The other lists are just bullet points. I mean, no sequential order. It just have drop down menu. So we're going to start first with on other list, which is OL. So OL. Then we'll press enter to create more space. Okay, and right here, sorry, we're going to create another one called LR. These are the list of things. LR, let's say butter, B U-T-T-R, butter my bread, sugar my tea. Okay, we'll copy and paste right here because we don't want to write out LA all the time. Butter, B-R-E-A-D, bread, and I copy and paste again because I don't want to be writing LA all the time. T, sugar man T, T-E-A-T, and come down again. I press another one called what? Sugar, S-U-R-G-A. I don't know how I'm spelling it correct. Whatever way you take it as it, okay? S-U-G-A. Yeah, whatever way. That's it. I'm going to take it like that. Okay, I got it right. Oh, sorry. Stupid. Okay, all right. Then from sugar we'll go to what? Anything. Spoon. And small or plum or anything. So here we press LR. I'm gonna do it again so that you see how it works. LR. And then we have something called spoon. Computer, huh? I don't know what computer has to do with this list. All right, so let's stop here, okay? These are lists of things. These are lists of things. These are lists of things, but they are on other lists. So it ends here. Other list OL open and close right here. Then one for those lists, we can use this inner tag that falls between the outer tag here. LA mean list. LA mean list. OL mean order on other list. Okay. we press Control C. Sorry, this one mean order list. OL mean order list. Sorry. So I refresh. Beautiful. Look at that. We have inserted a list of things on our website. But this list of things does not have any header, no heading to show what they are for. No paragraph, nothing. So it's best we use heading for it, okay? So go back to our source code, and between this paragraph here, we put a little bit enter, and then we'll put heading. Let's see, let's use H2, okay? Kindly purchase, PURCHAA, be below 10 for our family. Good. Open it. Go beautiful. Okay, side down. So this will appear as a header or heading for this list. I press Ctrl S. And look at beautiful. Good. See that? Kindly purchase a below item for our family, right? What are the items? Yeah, they are butter, bread, tea, sugar, spoon, computer, and just like that. They are other lists because they appear in sequential order, okay, in numerical value. Another one is on other list. That is no special form or it appear. It just appear at random, okay. So what we're going to do, we will apply break here again. Break to come down. Good. We apply UL on other list. Beautiful. Enter. Enter. Okay. On other list. And here we apply our LR. Okay. Computer. Computer. Let's just copy and paste, okay, to save time. Computer charger, CHARGER. Okay, I'll paste it again because I already copy. Apple charger, Apple smartphones, okay, quality TV. Okay. All right. And what else? Can we put something there? Freezer or something like what? Stabilizer or regulator? GUADOR. Beautiful. Now that press Control S and C. Good. Wow. You see that? So they all appear as a list, but between them, you see they want under bullet point it has. So they'll insert they want a paragraph. I call it a header and see. So here we put let's say I give it H3, okay. This is an example of on a list items. Good. Press OK. It didn't appear. I got it. This is an example of our on a list. So class, so far so good. It's not good to use so many tags on one project. I'm going to confuse you. So this is just a 29 minutes video. To recap, we learned about HTML paragraph. We learned about the heading, and how to insert paragraph, how to insert break, how to insert the inline elements, and also using other lists and other lists. So we will stop here tonight, and I'll post this video. I expect each and every one of you to watch the video and submit your response on Monday, but make sure you watch it on Friday, please. Thank you plenty. I'll see you next Monday. Thank you plenty.